Step 1. Just relax and enjoy the story. Every Saturday morning, Lisa goes for a walk around her neighborhood. She enjoys the fresh air, listening to the birds, and seeing familiar faces. It's her favorite time to relax and catch up on what's happening around her. She often stops to chat with her neighbors or just waves and smiles. On this particular Saturday, Lisa noticed something new on the corner of the street. A few of her neighbors were busy working with tools and soil. Curious, she walked over to see what was going on. There were bags of soil, small plants, and gardening tools everywhere. It looked like they were setting up a community garden. She ran into Mr. Peterson, an older neighbor she hadn't seen in a while. He was holding a shovel and looked excited.
We're trying to get the garden ready before summer.
Do you need any help?
Of course, the more the better.
Together, they started pulling weeds and planting seeds. More neighbors soon joined in, bringing extra tools and lots of energy. After about an hour of work, everyone decided to take a break. Lisa and Mr. Peterson sat on a bench nearby and chatted. A few children came running over and looked at the garden.
Can we help too?
Of course, the more the better.
Later, Lisa walked to the local bakery to get a snack. She bought 2 muffins and a cup of coffee. On her way back, she waved to Mrs. Kim, who was walking her dog. The neighborhood felt alive and full of friendly energy. By the afternoon, the small community garden looked beautiful. Bright flowers lined the edge, and small signs showed where vegetables had been planted. Everyone looked happy and proud. People were laughing, taking photos, and enjoying each other's company. Lisa stood back and smiled.
It's amazing what we can do when we come together. This really feels like home.
Step 2. Learn words and expressions.
Neighborhood, meaning the area around your home, the place where you and your neighbors live. Example, our neighborhood is quiet. Catch up, meaning to talk and share news. You talk to someone and learn what is new in their life. Example, I called my friend to catch up. Community garden, meaning a shared garden for everyone. A garden where people in the neighborhood grow plants together. Example, everyone helps in the community garden. Run into, meaning to meet someone by surprise. You see someone without planning it. Example, I ran into my teacher at the store. Pull weeds, meaning to remove bad plants from the ground. You take out plants that you don't want in the garden. Example, she pulled weeds to clean the garden. Take a break, meaning to stop and rest for a short time. You stop working and relax for a few minutes. Example, let's take a break and drink tea.
Company, meaning being with other people. You are not alone. Someone is with you. Example, Lisa liked the company of her neighbors in the garden.
Step 3. Flashcards. Guess the word from the meaning. Meet someone by surprise. Run into. The area around where you live. Neighborhood. Stop working and rest for a short time. Take a break. Talk to someone and learn what's new in their life. Catch up. Being with other people. You are not alone. Someone is with you. Company. A garden shared by people in a neighborhood. Community garden. Remove bad plants from a garden. Pull weeds.